Hi, friends! Welcome to dinoBro! Alphabet Adventure! Hello, friends! How are you today? Are you ready to learn?
Yeah!
That's a great answer, friend! Come on, follow me! Wow! What kind of tree is that, friends? Yes, you're right. Let's get the fruit. A is for apple. Let's continue the journey. Woo!
We've reached the lake, friends! Wow, there are so many birds coming! Yes, you're right! This is B for bird! Wow, amazing! Hello, Dino. Come with me. Let's go on an adventure. All aboard. Let's explore the world together. Wait for Dino in the next video, my friends.
Hey, everyone! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.